this video, I am going to show you how to earn $20 daily doing micro jobs, survey and offers and more. No restrictions, as you can register from anywhere in the world. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV. And press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into the video. This website has lowest payout threshold of $1. This making it very easy to withdraw anytime you want. With available multiple payouts options, you can withdraw out your earning as little as $1 through PayPal, Amazon, cryptocurrency, gifts cards and many more. This are users happily cashing out their earning, and here 8 the recent payouts. Exchange coins for valuable rewards, gift cards, PayPal, crypto and way more. Ways to earn: point coins, complete tasks. Coins can be acquired by completing tasks. There are many types of them, differing in execution time, required device, and difficulty level. Thanks to those differences, coins can be earned anywhere and anytime. You can earn in games. By completing quests in games available on our platform, you are getting coins for leveling up, completing quests, or visiting specific locations. In offers, using the well-known and valued brands can also lead to gaining coins. In cashbacks, you also get them for cashback type tasks. In questionnaires, questionnaires are a fast and easy way to acquire coins. Only a few clicks are enough to get them. The name of this website is called earnweb.com. Users are very happy, and this is what they have to say. EarnWeb has a very good ratings of 4.6 score rate in Trustpilot, and here are recent users' reviews. Now click on Create Account button to get started. On the Sign Up registration page, you can choose to sign up with your Facebook, Steam account, Google account. I am using my Google account to register my new account. Welcome to your account dashboard, where a lot of offers and surveys. Tasks available for you to earn money right away. You can set up and select your preferred payout payment option. You can click on Begin Task to start making money to your account balance. The more tasks you completed, the more money you make. If you have more questions, comments below. Hit the like button so YouTube can recommend this video to others. Please like and subscribe to my channel Frank Media TV. And press the bell notification icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching.